Thalassery. Thalassery, formerly known as Tellicherry, is a commercial city on the Malabar Coast of Kerala. Thalassery is 21 kilometers away from Kannur district headquarters. In ancient times, Thalassery was a flourishing trade center with trading relations extending to Jews, Chinese, Greeks, Arabs and Romans. Theyyam is a traditional ritual art which forms part of the local culture and folklore. Herman Gundert compiled the first English Malayalam dictionary way back in 1872. Gundert spent 20 years of his life in Thalassery, contributing extensively to the development of the Malayalam language. Thalassery Fort. Thalassery Fort stands about 22 kilometers south of Kannur near the municipal cricket stadium. The fort was originally built to store cardamom and pepper and later became a center for military activities under the British rule. The Thalassery Fort overlooks the Arabian Sea and has secret tunnels opening to the seaside. Thalassery Fort is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India since 1921. Thalassery Kadal Palam. Kadal Palam is an old pier constructed by the British. It extends out to the sea for the movement of goods to and from the ships. Kadal Palam had its important place in the then prosperous maritime trade of Thalassery. Overbury's Folly. Overbury's Folly is a seaside park with a watchtower in the city of Thalassery. It is developed under Thalassery Heritage Tourism Circuit. It's an ideal place to watch the sunset. The park got its name from its builder E. N. Overbury, who served as the local judge of Thalassery in the 1870s. Murappilangad Beach. Murappilangad Driving Beach, 6 kilometers north of Thalassery, is the longest drive-in beach in Asia and the only one of its kind in Kerala. The beach festival conducted annually attracts a large number of tourists. Over the years, the beach has a steady increase in its foreign tourists.
Hi, myself Amit Raghav. We are from Bangalore. We have first time came to Kerala and we have heard good things about Thalassery beach. And I heard that this is our first and only car beach where the drive is possible.
Dharmadam Island. 100 kilometers away from the sandy shores of Dharmadam Beach is the uninhabited island of Dharmadam, also known as Dharmadam Turutta. The island is covered with coconut palms and thick bushes. On a low tide, tourists can walk across the waters to reach the island. Accommodation is available within the range of Rs 800 to Rs 5,000. Thalassery is well connected via state and private buses. The nearest railway station is Thalassery railway station at a distance of 1 kilometer, whereas the nearest airport is Calicut International Airport at 95 kilometers.